All righty. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's Chad Ward with Voltaire Capital Markets here. Another beautiful day. Just came back from a meeting and which explains the attire. So if you take a look here, we do get this lower low on the 15 and 5. So what I'm looking for right now is price to rally back into this imbalance, and then we're going to try to short it back down to these equal lows here at 19,032. Now, if I'm going to look for price to fill maybe 50% of this imbalance, and I'm going to take from the next high, right? It's about 25 points. So we'll see if we can get a nice entry back into this area. What we're looking for is about 50% of this imbalance. The time is now 10:16. It could have, again, it could continue to fall here, but we're just going to be patient and see if we can get this imbalance fill. Let's take a look. DXY is bullish on the day, so that's why we're getting this bearish price action on the indice futures. So yeah, on the daily it's really bullish, and it came down here and it's continuing higher. So it could be trying to take out these highs here, which is why price is driving down. So I've caught a little bit of this on my Trade of 8 with Top Step, 2 of my accounts with Top Step. I do have some accounts with Apex that I'm looking to pass by the end of the month. So but that's that. Now we did sweep London lows, so we could be trying to go higher here as well. So we do get a liquidity sweep. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade here and see if we can fill higher, maybe into this imbalance. I do like how we came 50% of the last down candle. So we'll see if we could get some bullish price action to the upside. Okay. See where we close here on the 5. I like the rejection wick here, but would like to see price to continue higher if it's going to go. Yeah, it might be heading back down. Trying to see if we can get above. Let's see. Might close out of this one for a small loss. Just depends if we can find some momentum to go back upward into this imbalance. That's really what I was trying to play, but I don't like how I was looking on that 50. Oh, that's a 4 hour. Sorry. 15. And we're struggling to go higher. It's really looking for price to rally back into this area. Might have to turn on the AC in here, man. It's kind of steamy in here. Maybe because I got on this shirt. See what we do here. So as soon as we tap into that imbalance, because I believe it's bearish, I'll probably exit the positions and go short with a 20-point stop. See if we can push a little bit higher. Really want that imbalance fill. We do have some a little bit of resistance here. All right, I'm gonna book that. Okay, we got about 5. So we have 50. So that's about $500 per account. Okay, I'm gonna try this imbalance here. See if we can fall sharply from this imbalance down and aim at these equal lows here. So this would be our buy limit. We want this. So what we're looking for is for this to reject off of this imbalance here and to fall lower. We're going to aim for these equal lows here at the bottom. So that'll be, that's what we want to see right there. So we entered in here. So that'll be about 50 points or so. See if we can continue to push here. Mm, Can you give me another little pushy push? So let's see if it continues to fail. So rejecting here. Don't really like that, but um, we've already booked 500 on the 150K. So we're just looking for price to kind of just fall and melt from this imbalance and close lower. So now time and price. I like the price action. Time is kind of eh. It is 10:26. We do like to take these first 15, last 15 minutes of the hour, but all right, we're gonna book that. Wasn't gonna try to hold till. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen here. I'm gonna switch the screens to my third screen so we can walk through. All right, so now I am sharing my third screen here. I'm gonna be looking to the side, so don't mind me because I had three screens and I'm doing it off of two. All right, so we're able to book 1,500 today on this 150K account. So we ended up. Start with the first one. So what we ended up doing was we took advantage of the Apex promo code where you can get 90% off. You can do 90% off right now on pretty much all of their accounts. And then your rebilling goes to 80%, right? So for instance, so for a 150K account, I was able to grab it for $31.70. So I ended up buying 5 of those. So the key thing is just understand that your billing doesn't stay at $31.70. It actually doubles, I think, to 60 something or whatever it is. I think it was 64. It's not them all on a trade copier right now. We're trying to get to funding. The goal is to, be funded by June 30th. And that's what we're believing in. That's what we're speaking. That's what we're continuing to speak. Yeah, so that's that. Let's go through each of these accounts. So this one is, I want to say 150K account. Yep. So we're sitting at a little bit over 3,500 on this. Oops, that's the wrong thing that I'm clicking. Go here. We bank 1,500 today. Okay, again, bank another 1,500. Another 1,500. Number 4. This is the 50K account, so that's a little bit over 700. I mean, not 50K, I mean 100K, I'm sorry. So that's number 4, 5, another 1,500-ish. Another 1,500, okay? So let's do the math here. We're just going to say 1,500 and 700. So $8,200 a day, not bad. All right, so that's the power of trade copying. So big news. So we were able to pass our 50K account with Top Step. So we'll have that onboarded probably in the next week or so. Pretty excited about that. We lost those 2 accounts and then we're right back in there, funded again. So I'm very happy about that. When it first happened, I lost the 2 accounts. I was pretty down, but I just accepted the fact that, hey, accounts do come and go depending on how you're trading. Sometimes your performance is not always great. You're not always executing on a high level. So there's going to be those times where you do end up, blowing an account. However, right, if you keep your risk, I think if you keep your risk intact, you should be fine. But it's just, you just have to be very mindful. All right. So hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week. Be careful. Tomorrow is a high impact news day. So just be very careful with your accounts, right? You don't want to give any money back. So that's the main thing that I'm looking for. I probably won't even trade my Apex accounts tomorrow because I've had 2 back-to-back winning days. So yeah, so I probably won't even touch them. So I may not even trade tomorrow, to be honest with you. So yeah. Peace, prosperity, love. I pray God continues to keep you, lead you, and guide you. And it's your boy Chad Ward with Volterra Capital Markets TV, and we are signing out. God bless.